everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Practice Channel, where learning English is easy, real, and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hi, Anna. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. I've just finished some work, and now I'm excited to talk about today's topic, talking about your job in English.
That's a great topic, Anna. Everyone needs to know how to talk about their job or future career in English. Whether you're a student, a worker, or looking for your dream job, today's episode will help you speak confidently.
Let's start with the most common question. What do you do? David, how would you answer that?
I'd say I'm a teacher. I teach English to adults and teenagers. It's simple and clear. You can also say I work as a teacher or I work in education.
Exactly. And if you're a student, you can say, I'm a student. I study at university, or I'm studying business.
Yes, let's practice a few examples for our listeners. I'm an engineer. I design buildings. I'm a nurse. I work in a hospital. I'm a chef. I cook in a restaurant. I'm an office worker. I work in a company.
Good job, everyone. Remember to use a or an before job titles like a teacher, an artist.
Now let's talk about daily routines at work. Anna, what's your daily routine like?
My day is usually busy. I start work at 9 a.m. I check my emails, prepare lessons, record videos for our channel, and reply to student messages.
That sounds productive. For me, I teach in the morning and edit podcast audio in the afternoon. Sometimes I also write new scripts.
That's a good mix of teaching and creative work. For our listeners, here are some useful phrases to describe your daily work. I start work at 8 a.m. I have meetings every day. I work on the computer. I talk to clients. I finish work at 5 p.m.
And you can also add how you feel. I enjoy my work. It's challenging but interesting. Or my job is stressful but rewarding.
Let's move to another important part, your work environment. David, what's your workplace like?
My workplace is friendly and modern. My coworkers are kind and helpful. We often work as a team and share ideas.
That's great. I think having good coworkers makes work so much better. I work with creative people who love teaching and helping others learn English.
Listeners, you can say, my office is small but comfortable. I work in a big company with many people. My team is very supportive.
Now let's talk about something honest. Job satisfaction. Do you like your job, David?
I do. Teaching gives me joy because I can help students reach their goals. But sometimes it's challenging when I have a lot of classes or deadlines.
I understand. I love my job too, but editing videos can take a lot of time. Still, when our students comment that they learned something new, it makes me happy.
That's the best part, when you know your work helps others.
Let's share our past experiences. David, what was your first job?
My first job was as a waiter in a small cafe. I served food and drinks and learned how to talk to customers politely.
That's great experience. I used to work as a receptionist at a language school before becoming a teacher. I answered phone calls, helped students, and managed schedules.
That's great. Listeners, you can say, I used to work as a, or my first job was.
Now, let's dream a bit. What's your future goal, David?
I'd love to open my own English learning center one day, a place where students can practice speaking confidently.
That's a wonderful goal. My dream is to write an English textbook and travel around the world teaching English.
Wow, that's inspiring, Anna.
Thank you. And you, our listeners, what's your dream job? Maybe you want to be a pilot, a doctor, or an artist. Remember, learning English will help you reach your dreams.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. What do you do? I'm a teacher. I work in a company. I like my job because it's interesting. My dream job is to be a designer.
Perfect. Practice these sentences every day. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
So today we learned how to talk about your job, daily work, coworkers, past experience, and future goals in English.
That's right. You did an amazing job, everyone. Remember, learning English is not just about words, it's about expressing yourself.
Thank you for listening to Daily English Practice Channel.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what's your job or dream job?
See you next time. Keep practicing and keep smiling.